Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the player speed in Among Us. First, you need to create your own lobby. Go ahead and select play from the left hand side of the screen and then select online and then select host and then select create game to host a game and choose your map, either classic or hide and seek. Go through other options over here and select create game and select confirm. Now in the pre-game lobby, you need to tap on the computer tab in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your game settings. And as the lobby owner, you can change the game settings on the computer. Scroll down to the player speed option. Go to the section of game settings that is between game presets and role settings. Then after scroll down to the section of crewmates, and there you'll get the option of player speed. You can use this plus icon to increase the player speed. You can adjust the speed from 1x, which is slower, up to 3x, which is faster, and then close the setting to see the change in your player speed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.